How to market your business for free, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can market your business for free. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people know that marketing your business is probably one of the most important aspects of running any kind of business nowadays. And if you are not marketing your business, then no matter how great the quality of your product or how amazing the idea of your business might be, you will not be able to get the viewership that you want. And that is why it is so essential to market. And I have a few tips and techniques that will allow you to market yourself for free. And the number one tip, which you will hear from everyone, is social media marketing. So, a lot of people are going to say, okay, we already know about social media and how it's amazing and how you should market on it, but how do I actually get started on social media marketing and how do I get the attraction or the viewership on social media simply because it has become so saturated? Well, first off, if you are looking to create a social media presence, I would recommend you focus on TikTok simply because it is a visual medium. Even if you don't really know how to speak or you don't know how you want to advertise your product or your service, whatever it might be, then you can simply go on TikTok and make a video of your product and advertise with that video. You can promote the use of your product or use of your service, and I would recommend just following popular TikTok trends. Whatever is trending on TikTok, you will probably easily be able to spot it. So you will easily be able to spot, a lot of the popular TikTok trends, and you can simply follow along with those trends. Just take a look at the top TikTok creators. They will be doing certain trends with certain sounds or TikTok sounds or audios. You can use those audios. You can take a look at whatever the popular content creators are creating, and you can simply replicate that format with your own products or your own service, and that will enable you to expand your business immaculately because these trends are going to be pushed to the For You pages of a lot of people, and you will easily be able to get your brand's name out there without having to invest a single dime or without having to, spend a lot of time trying to create content for this platform. No, you just have to create a simple video of your business. You can add some basic text like this, and that is around it. Now, let's say you provide a service and your business is not centered around a product. How do you advertise on TikTok in that situation? Well, for that, you can go onto a royalty-free platform like Vecteezy. And let's say that I run a business which provides online counseling. So how do I make a TikTok video promoting that? So for that, I would make a TikTok video, and let's say I just don't want to show my face or I don't want to make a video of myself. I want it to be all on my PC. I don't want to do any of the physical video recording stuff. So for that, you can go onto a platform like Vecteezy where you can get royalty-free videos. And what I would do is I would search for waterfall or seashore. So I would take a video like this and I would add, any random fact regarding my business or regarding the services that I provide. And you can add like a transition video after this, and you can also add transformation videos, so on and so forth, and just add a few text blocks regarding the service that you're providing. So you can add something like come back to shore with this. You understand how you're supposed to advertise your business and make it seem pleasing and aesthetic. You don't need to, add a video in the background that is exactly regarding the service that you're providing. I could enter text on top of this video, something like psychology fact, people that go to therapy report a 50% increase in happiness. And then I could be like, so check out our counseling services to get started, or anything of that sort. So this will enable me to promote my business without having to actually be present in the videos or talk in the videos if you are not comfortable with doing that. So even if you're doing a service or a product, in both of those situations, you can easily use TikTok to promote your business. Now, after TikTok, there is Instagram, and I will be sharing a very specific Instagram tip with you guys. However, there are some other things that I want you guys to learn before you get into Instagram, and that is to do podcasts. Now, you might be wondering, okay, there are millions and millions of podcasts out there. How do I, reach out to a podcast, and how do I actually get accepted? Because a lot of the times you might feel like, hey, there are so many different podcasts out there and no one really seems to want to have me, or, something of that sort. The reason for that is because there are so many podcasts, a lot of people are trying to get on podcasts, and those hosts are flooded with DMs and emails about that. So instead of having to directly reach out to each individual podcast creator, you can go onto matchmaker.fm, which is a platform that connects podcasters and guests. So you can appear as a guest specialist in your service or your business, and the service or product that you're providing, whatever it might be. So you can go onto their podcast, and you might wonder, okay, even if I do, how exactly is this going to expand my business? Well, when people are watching podcasters, they love them, they like their opinion, they like their, they like to hear them speak. And when you will be speaking to that person as a verified guest, then they will be very likely to be inclined towards you as well. They will be inclined towards liking you, liking your product, liking your service, or actually listening and taking interest in your product or service. So you can simply head on over to matchmaker.fm to get started with podcasts as well. So we have TikTok, we have how to make product or how to make service TikToks, then you have podcasts, then you also have Instagram. And the basics of Instagram, how to promote it on Instagram, use hashtags, all that stuff. But what I'm talking about is making Instagram guides. So Instagram guides are just like a couple of slides like these, where you can be promoting your service. Now, how do you do that? You don't need to actually create them all by your own post. You can take, let's say that continuing the example of an online counseling service. What I can do is I can add a specific guide on how to get started with therapy or how to improve your mental health. And I would include multiple different posts from other businesses as well. And I would target businesses that are larger. So let's say, just as an example, I would include posts from someone like the Identity Doctor in that specific guide, for how to improve your mental health, simply because this is a person that has a large social media following. And when they have a large social media following, this will in turn help me build my following, because a lot of the times if they get tagged in a certain post in a specific guide, then they will be very, very likely to repost it on their stories as well. And this can help you in expanding your portfolio as well. So you can add posts from multiple different content creators, and you must include a post of your own as well, where you're promoting your own product or service, and this will gain you more followers on your Instagram, and that will give you more interactions, more leads, and more potential clients or customers. Next up, you also have email marketing. A lot of people underrate email marketing nowadays. However, it is still as effective it has been in the past, and you need to make sure you're not spamming people. I would recommend having one initial email. If the initial email remains unresponded to, one follow-up email after 1 week. And if that remains unopened, because you can easily check with any of the email marketing tools like MailChimp, Sendinblue, like I have over here, Bluehost, any of those, they show you if the person opened or closed the email. So if it remains unopened, the second email remains unopened, then you can send a third follow-up. But after the third follow-up, then you don't want to send another email. That is my standard operating procedure for doing email marketing. So in these simple tips and tricks, you can easily optimize your business and market it in a very effective and organic manner. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're able to get started with marketing your business. Now make sure you have set up your Google My Business profile as well. If you have a physical location, and even if you don't, Google allows you to set up your business without entering a physical location. So make sure to do that as well to get your name out there. It's absolutely free as well. And I have a detailed video on how to set that up. So check that out. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.